Regionalism is, I said, that making reason on the basis of that reason culture, language, and some geographical idea. So the people, I said that from the Odisha will love to say I am from Odisha, their own culture, language and all. People from, I said, Rajasthan will love. So this is a kind of regionalism. And regionalism is somewhere it is also, it is okay in the form of, I said, that devolution of power. Yes or not? Yadi, if I will start handling whole India from only one, considering India without dividing into the different region, we cannot control it. The devolution of power is also very much. एक रीजनलिज्म हमारे राज ठाकरे करते हैं. That is, I said that वो भी रीजन को he loves their region, Maharashtra. Yes or not? Every people loves equally Raj Thackeray, but the Raj Thackeray he is trying to play regionalism in the form of conservative regionalism. In which form? Conservative regionalism, and this conservative regionalism led to the separatism. कहीं न कहीं वो बोल रहे हैं कि महाराष्ट्र is different and the Bihar and UP people should not come to. So that is what I said, that which type of regionalism? Conservative regionalism, and that led to the what? Separatism. Understood? Every region should have what? I said affection, love to their region. Yes. इसी तरह same I said that अपनी cause, अपना land, अपनी culture, अपनी religion, अपनी history दे, but उसके above क्या जाता है? Nationalism. Yes. I said there has been a significant trend towards worldwide towards regionalism in the government. Yes or not? Resulting into widespread transfer of power downwards towards region and community since 1990s. Means division of power. आपने देखा, I said that after coming of, I said that new economic policy in the form of, I said that LPC, we have made the delicensing of what? Several kind of what? Industries. तो हमने पावर को क्या देने लगे? Yes, you can open without coming to me, and the license has been made what? Very cheap. It is, I said that easy to grab. Making अभी भी देख रहे easy doing business. I said that dividing the power in पहले centralized power, only industry, iron and steel industry can be run by whom? Only central government. Now mini steel plant by the private sectors. Is it okay? So it is, and I said that devolving the power, devolving the what? And that can be in the form of regionalism. हमने private sector को भी region में बांट दिया. This is the, it is going into it. So I said that there has been a significant trend worldwide towards regionalism in government. Yes or no? Which? Regionalism in the form of, I said that geographical idea नहीं बोला मैंने. Geographical idea in the regionalism in government, resulting in a widespread transfer of powers downwards toward the region and communities since 1990s. The process which involves creation of new political entities. The process which involves creation of new political entities and bodies at subnational level and increase in their content and power is known as devolution. Yes or not? Yes or not? आप क्या है? This is the process in which you are devolving the power to the subnational level. You are creating political entities. Yes or not? The political state is in a political entity. District is in a political entity. और उसी के अंदर में I said that block is in a political entity. पंचायत is in a political entity. And giving power to the each and every political entities, so that the governance can be the devolution of power. Yes or not? So they are talking about at each political entities we are what? Devolving the power. The process is involves the creation of new political entities and bodies at subnational level and increase in their content and powers. Decentralization is known as devolution. Devolution has been characterized as being made up of three factors. Three factors said devolution is made up of: political legitimacy, decentralization of authority, and decentralization of resources. Which are the three? Political legitimacy, decentralization of authority, and decentralization of. तो हमें resources को भी देना है, authority को भी divide करना है. And political legitimacy means, I said that it is also devolution, but political legitimacy is what? It is in a kind of, I said when the mass movement takes place. What happened? When the mass movement takes place, it put the pressure on the hierarchy in the top. Central government को क्या देगा? Pressure. Yes or no? And then under the pressure, the top government will what? Okay, I am going to decentralize the power. This decentralization process, devolution of process is known as political legitimacy. When the mass movement, andolan at the mass level, then the devolution of power, it is known as what? Political. So what are the three factors I said that? So devolution has been characterized as being made up of three factors: political legitimacy, three factors I said that characteristics: decentralization of authority, decentralization of resources. Political legitimacy here means a mass demand from below for decentralization process which is able to create a political force for it to take place. Yes or not? Mass ने कैसा force क्या किया? Political force, and which make the political higher hierarchy people to what? Do the decentralization. Is it okay? And I said in many cases decentralization is initiated by upper tier. कौन करता है decentralization? एक होता है हम लोग डिमांड करते हैं, then there is a decentralization, और अपर टायर पे ही उसने बोला कि मुझे क्या करना है? Yes, tell me. Decentralization. Yes or not? In many cases, not all cases, in many cases, decentralization is initiated by the upper tier of the government. Yes or not? And without sufficient, in many cases, decentralization is initiated by the upper tier of the government without sufficient political mobilization. कोई political force की जरूरत भी नहीं थी, फिर भी उन्होंने क्या कर दिया? Decentralization for it at the grassroots level. Yes, grassroots level तक, पंचायती तक पहुंच गया. In such cases, the decentralization portion often does not fulfill its, और ऐसे cases में decentralization is not able to fulfill its, तो क्योंकि शायद लोगों का डिमांड नहीं था, डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन कर दिया और डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन का फायदा नहीं हो रहा है. यस और नॉट? इसका मतलब क्या है? इन सच केसेस व्हेन द डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इज टेकिंग फ्रॉम द टॉप हायरार्की टू द डाउन and the down level grassroots level, but it is not profit level. Yes or not? Beneficial, not fulfilling the objective. Such cases decentralization process often does not fulfill its objective. दोबारा मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ ध्यान से. There has been a significant trend worldwide towards regionalism in the government. Yes or no? Resulting in a widespread transfer of power downwards toward the region and community since 1990s in the world. I said that in which world? This process, which involves the creation of new political entities and bodies at subnational level and increase in their content and powers, is known as devolution. Devolution has been characterized as being made up of three factors: political legitimacy, decentralization of authority, decentralization of resources. Political legitimacy here means a mass demand from below for decentralization process, yes, which is able to create a political force for it to take place. In many cases, decentralization is initiated by where? Higher tier of the government without sufficient political mobilization for it at the grassroots level. And in such cases, the decentralization process often does not fulfill its objectives. Now, first option, I said that emergence of powerful mass leaders, emergence of powerful mass leader is essential to create, emergence of powerful mass leaders is essential to create subnational political entities. Yes, emergence of powerful mass leaders, mass movement and mass leader. There is a difference. Yes or not? Leaders की बात कर रहा है. Yes. Emergence of powerful mass leader is essential to create subnational political entities and thus ensure successful devolution and decentralization. तो यहाँ mass leader तो बोला ही नहीं. It is talking about mass leader. It is talking about mass movement. Yes, tell me. Yes, I said that it is. I said political legitimacy is means a mass demand from the below. Yes or not? Mass demand from below. So the probability of wrong हो रहा है अभी. हो सकता है correct भी हो सके, पर probability of wrong is high. Upper tier of the government should impose devolution and decentralization on the regional communities by law or otherwise. करना ये बोला by law or otherwise तो नहीं बोला. Yes or not? It is wrong. Devolution to be successful requires a democracy. Demand by the people. Demand by the mass का मतलब क्या है? Democracy. Yes or not? यदि उसके थ्रू हो रहा है इसका मतलब डेमोक्रेसी है उस कंट्री में। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? फटाफट नहीं करो, डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब समझो, यस और नॉट, बाय द पीपल, ऑफ द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल, इफ द डिमांड बाय द पीपल, यस और नॉट, और पॉलिटिकल लेजिटिमेसी किसके लिए बनाई गई है? फॉर द पीपल इट हैज बीन डन, यस और नॉट? Devolution to be successful requires a democracy in which there is a free expression of the will of the people at lower level. Mass demand का मतलब क्या है? Free expression of will of the people at lower level and their active participation at the grass. ये तो mass जो demand बोला ना, ये पूरी लाइन उसी को डिफाइन कर रहा है। Whole line is defining what? Mass demand. Devolution to be successful requires a democracy. डेमोक्रेसी मतलब गवर्नमेंट ने मान लिया, तभी तो उसका पॉलिटिकल लेजिटिमेसी बना। एंड इन विच देयर इज एन फ्री एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द विल ऑफ द पीपल एट लोअर लेवल एंड देयर एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन एट द ग्रास रूट लेवल्स। इट इज लुकिंग करेक्ट पूरा। फिर देखते हैं, फॉर डिवोल्यूशन टू टेक प्लेस ए स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग ऑफ रीजनलिज्म इन द मास इज एसेंशियल। तो ये तो डिवोल्यूशन के लिए बोला ही नहीं कहीं पर। 3 थिंग्स बोला है, पॉलिटिकल लेजिटिमेसी, यस, डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ authority and decentralization of resources. So that has not been mentioned here. So it is also what? Wrong. So chances of which one is correct? C. Understood it? समझ में आ रहा? और इसका मतलब है कि यदि आपको क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना है तो आपको हर वर्ड को भी अच्छा होना होगा। तो ये क्वेश्चन जो देगा वो कैसा देगा? You should have understanding of what? GS level understanding. GS level understanding को भी थोड़ा आपको अच्छा रखना होगा। Understood it? समझ में आ गया? So what are the 6 points? Understood it? Yes or no?